When designing or upgrading your kitchen, a range hood plays a critical role in both aesthetics and functionality. Not only does it eliminate grease, smoke, and odors from cooking, but the right material, stainless steel or copper, can also elevate your kitchen's style. This article will explore the differences between stainless steel range hoods and hammered copper range hoods, helping you determine which one fits your needs. We'll also delve into how these materials align with other kitchen fixtures, such as custom copper kitchen sinks and gas ranges, and the role they play in creating a cohesive design. Aesthetic appeal, stainless steel versus copper stainless steel, range hoods. Stainless steel range hoods offer a sleek, modern look that complements contemporary and minimalist kitchens. Known for their clean lines and reflective surface, these hoods integrate effortlessly with gas ranges and other stainless steel appliances. 1. Pros: resistant to rust, corrosion, and stains. Easy to clean and maintain. Matches other modern kitchen elements like custom stainless range hoods and handcrafted cabinet hardware. 2. Cons: may show fingerprints and smudges. Can feel too clinical in some designs if not balanced with warmer tones. Hammered copper range hoods. If you want to add warmth and charm, hammered copper range hoods are an excellent choice. Copper's natural patina evolves, developing a unique look that lends rustic or farmhouse kitchens an artisanal feel. Many homeowners opt for custom copper hoods to create a focal point above their gas range. 1. Pros: develops a patina for a vintage age look. Complements rustic and farmhouse designs. Pairs beautifully with copper kitchen faucets and custom copper murals for a cohesive aesthetic. 2. Cons: requires more maintenance to keep its original shine. Higher upfront cost compared to stainless steel. Functionality and durability. When comparing the two materials, functionality is a significant factor, especially for frequent home chefs. 1. Stainless steel range hoods are highly durable and resistant to heat, stains, and rust, making them ideal for busy kitchens. 1. They require minimal maintenance beyond occasional cleaning with mild soap and water. 2. Hammered copper range hoods, while durable, need regular care to maintain their appearance, especially if you prefer a polished finish. 2. Copper's antimicrobial properties make it a great material for kitchen surfaces, but it is prone to developing a patina, which some homeowners love and others prefer to avoid. Coordinating with other kitchen fixtures. When choosing between stainless steel and copper, consider how your range hood will coordinate with other elements in your kitchen. Stainless steel fixtures. If your kitchen leans towards modern or industrial design, pair your custom stainless range hood with other stainless appliances and handcrafted cabinet hardware. This creates a seamless, polished look. Copper fixtures for a warmer, more rustic vibe. Opt for custom copper kitchen sinks, copper kitchen faucets, and even a custom copper bathtub to carry the theme throughout the space. If you're aiming for a truly unique kitchen, adding a custom copper mural or hammered copper kitchen sink enhances the artisanal feel. Budget considerations. Budget is often a deciding factor in choosing between stainless steel and copper. Stainless steel range hoods are generally more affordable, making them a practical choice for those who want durability without breaking the bank. On the other hand, custom copper hoods tend to be more expensive, but their timeless appeal and ability to develop a beautiful patina over time make them a worthwhile investment for those seeking uniqueness. Which one is right for you? 1. Choose stainless steel if you prefer a modern, low-maintenance kitchen. Your kitchen already features stainless steel appliances, and durability and easy upkeep are priorities. 2. Choose copper if you love the warmth and charm of a rustic or farmhouse kitchen. You want a unique hood that evolves with time. You enjoy artisanal craftsmanship, such as hammered copper sinks or custom copper murals. Elevate your kitchen with Akicon. Whether you choose a stainless steel range hood for a sleek, modern look or a custom copper hood for artisanal charm, Akicon has everything you need to bring your dream kitchen to life. Akicon specializes in high-quality, handcrafted kitchen products, from custom copper bathtubs to gas ranges and beyond. Explore Akicon's collection today to find the perfect kitchen fixtures tailored to your style and needs. Call us at 1-828-2025 to start planning your kitchen transformation with durable, beautifully designed products that last a lifetime.